people are literally running. Oh my god. What? It's really bad. You see, everyone is running. Oh my god, I need to start running too. Oh my gosh. Guys, mama, yo, it's getting bad. It's getting bad, guys. This is rainy evening in Nairobi, guys. People are on the run. The weather is changing. We don't know whether it's going to flood. So everyone is rushing to go back home. This is the current situation. Everyone is rushing home. Oops. Come along with me, guys. Let's see the rush hour in Nairobi. Everyone is rushing back home. This is the street where a tree fell. This is Moi Avenue. You see these trees? They fell down as a result of heavy rainfall in Nairobi. So the rains haven't stopped. Can you see up there? It's gonna be raining anytime soon. So people are really rushing. People want to go back home before it floods. Come with me, guys. Come with me. I'm gonna be posting this video the way it is, no editing. So just come along with me. Let's see the tricky situation in the streets of Nairobi. Yeah, this is rush hour and it's also going to rain. So let's go, let's go. Hey, some people are literally running. Imagine. Oh, people are running. Hey, people really fear rainfall. People really fear floods. Yeah, the floods have been so worse. You see? Mama, yo. Look at this. What? What? Oh my god. This is Archives area. It's usually very busy. What? There are so many here. Oh my god. Yeah, this is the Archives area. Most people know this place as a meeting area. Come along with me, guys. Let's go. It has already started drizzling. It's drizzling already. Guys, I'm also trying to walk as fast as possible. So if you hear me maybe breathe very fast, it's because I'm really walking very fast. I'm even thinking of starting to run because it's gonna be raining anytime soon. If you're already loving this video, please give it a very big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like and share. So let's go. What? Tricky situation. Oh my God. Some people are being carried on carts. Tricky situation in the streets of Nairobi. So I've just left Moi Avenue. I'm gonna be joining Tom Mboya Street. Tom Mboya Street is one of the busiest streets of Nairobi. Tom Mboya Street is being rehabilitated. Let's see how Tom Mboya looks like today. Okay, come with me to Tom Mboya. It's going to be so crazy now from this point. What? Let's go, guys, let's go. Don't have an umbrella, but I believe I'm going to make it. Let's go. Whew. Oh my God, I think I need to be running. Guys, this is the kind of love that I have for you. Yeah, I'm on the streets. People are finding their way back home, and I'm here vlogging for you. I just want you to feel the real vibes of the streets of Nairobi, especially during rush hour and also now that it's raining. Yeah, this is how it feels to be in the streets of Nairobi when it rains. Yeah, let's see if I'm going to get some matatus back home, because you know, prices of matatu tend to be so expensive, especially when it rains, because you know there's high demand. You see? So I need to cross. Oh my God. Yes. I've just crossed. So you see, most pavements along Tom Mboya Avenue are being like rehabilitated. Rehabilitation work is still going on. Yeah. You see, these are some of the materials that they are using to do the rehabilitation process. So I don't know what time they do this work, because when you come here like today, come back the following day, you see some changes. So I think they work at night. So let's go guys. I've decided to at least follow these rarely used routes. This is the area where construction is happening, just to show you some of the work that is being done. Yeah, as we see the rush hour in the streets, you see, these are some of the work that is happening. So let me go back to the main street. See, this is some of the work that is happening. Some people are traveling, some people are going back to their homes. Let's go guys. Some of the work that is happening. Let me show you now how people get matatus to their homes, especially the way it is parked. Hey, the rains are adding up. Yeah, it's now getting tricky kabisa. My yo. What? It's really bad. You see, everyone is running. Oh my God, I need to start running too. Oh my gosh. Guys, mama, yo, it's getting bad. It's getting bad, guys. What? You see, everyone is running. Oh my God. Let me just follow this side. What? Oh my God. Guys. So I think I need to stop this video somewhere here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Love you all. Have a blessed evening. Have a good day. Have a good night, depending with where you're watching. Till next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.